Hello, my friends. This is Soldier of Self-Mastery, aka Santos Rolon Jr., right out of Stockton, California. Wednesday morning here at a 15-minute morning. Hashtag 15-minute morning 209. I'm usually up about 4:35, maybe 6 in the morning. And I spend not just 15 minutes every morning to start my day off. Actually, this is something that I started new. Of course, I've always done something every single morning to retrain my mind, retrain myself for the day so that I can respond rather than react to situations that are going to face you and I. Now, it is Wednesday, the 13th of February, 2019. I'm going to ask you now, what are you doing with your mornings? How are you starting out your days, my friend? 15-minute mornings. Now, this is going to be a very short clip, but I just want to share a few words of encouragement with you. We live in a world that is very difficult. We live in a world that is very challenging. It's very demanding. And the world and its systems and people and family and coworkers and businesses, media, social media, television, and all the other stuff that goes with it. It's all putting a severe demand on you, on your mind. And my friend, please take this message seriously. Please take this message to heart, because the truth is, if you do not plan your mornings, think about this for a moment. Like I said, I'm going to keep this video short. If you enjoy this video, if this video speaks to you, if this video says something to you, my encouragement is for you to take that and apply it. Because knowledge alone is not power, my friend. Knowledge applied. Now, I don't care whether you're a drug addict. I don't care whether well, of course I do care, but you know what I mean. Right? It doesn't matter whatever it is that you are stuck in life. There is a door. There is a door that you can open to get yourself out of there. It's going to take a couple of things, right? It's going to take desire. It's going to take the want to or your will until when your will runs out, then the afterburners will kick in and keep that momentum going. It's going to be a discipline, my friend. Okay? You must pay the price now for what it is that you want in due time. Or you can settle for what you have now and it's going to get worse. You can settle for what you have now, especially if you don't like it. Maybe you're comfortable. Maybe it's painful, but yet you're there. You are there, my friend. You must get yourself out of that area. And I'll tell you where it starts, my friend. It starts early in the morning. It starts with 15-minute mornings. It starts with retraining your subconscious, my friend. Retrain your subconscious. When you conquer what's going on up here, you are going to conquer what's happening outside and around you, my friend. Once again, Santos Jr. here, aka Soldier of Self-Mastery, on probably this is my first 15-minute morning video. If you need help, my friend, if you are stuck in life, if you are paralyzed, if you don't know what to do, you have no idea, my office will be below. My contact information will be below. You're either going to get a hold of myself or my business partner, Cephas, and we will redirect you from there. We're here to help people. We're not here to give a handout. We're here to give a hand up, my friend, okay? A hand up. So, yes, it's discipline. Yes, it's energy. Yes, it's commitment. Yes, you must draw a line in the cement. Once again, I'll see you on my next one at the very top on the inside. Remember to make every day super fantastic, terrific, and over the top, in spite of and because of. Yes, it's possible. Why? Because of the grace of the Almighty, the Lord Jesus Christ himself. That's why I declare what I declare. So I'll see you on my next one. Peace through strength. I appreciate you. I salute you, my friend.